Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to choose 2 points on this graph, and then we are going to construct the equation of the line that joins the 2 points. So we're going to start just by picking 2 points. I'm going to pick this point right here, this point which is the point x equals 2, y is 1, so it's the point 2, 1. And the other point we're going to choose is right down here at 4, x equals 4, and y in this case is negative 4. So these are our 2 points, and the first thing we're going to do in order to construct the equation for the line is we're going to figure out what the slope is. And slope is often referred to as m when talking about lines, and so we're going to refer to it as m, and m, or slope, is the change in y divided by the change in x. So the change in y from 4 to 1 is, this change in y is the second point, which is negative 4, minus the other point, which is 1. So it's 5 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and negative 4 minus 1 gives you negative 5. So we're just going to fill in those blanks in here. We have negative 4 minus 1. And then we need to do the same for x. So the change in x is from the point 4 to the point 2. So it's 1, 2 points. And we can see that 4 minus 2 is 2. So we're going to do the same thing here, filling those in. 4 minus 2. This gives us m, which equals negative 5 over 2, or negative 5 halves, or negative 2.5. So now we have m. It's very easy with m to plug that value, m, plus the 2 points, or the 2 positions from one of our points. So that could either be negative 4 2 and 1, or 4 and negative 4, so let's just choose 2 and 1, and then we just plug those numbers into this formula for a line. So we're going to have y minus the y point, which in this case is 1, and it equals the slope, negative 5 over 2, x minus, and then the other point for x, which is 2, and this gives us the equation of our line. Y minus 1 equals negative 5 halves over x, or negative 5 halves times, in brackets, x minus 2. If we want to simplify this a little, we can multiply it out, so we end up with y minus 1 equals negative 5 halves x minus, and then times a negative 5 halves, so it's going to be plus, and negative 5 halves just ends up being 5, and then we can bring the 1 over, which gives us the equation for our line, which is y equals negative 5 halves x plus 6. There we go.